I've dealt with a lot of internet marketing companies. WIT actually delivered.
The teamwork, working back and forth to help each other succeed has been phenomenal with WIT.
I feel like I can trust them. They will adjust on the fly. Anything we need done, they handle it and get it taken care of for me.
Communication is great. They're easy to work with. They really listen to you.
They designed a plan for me. We put it in practice. The results have been phenomenal.
It's a personal relationship, and that's what they're about, is building the relationship with their clients, working towards the same goals.
They emulate what we look for in a vendor and a vendor partner. They're serving.
WIT Digital has increased our website traffic by 1,000%.
We've grown over 250% since the rebrand.
Started off with 5 trucks at the beginning of the year. We're up to 10, looking to add 2 more.
In fact, we made the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies. They were a big part of that success.
We have been very happy with WIT Digital.
The results have been phenomenal.
Working with them has just been an incredible honor.